In Vericut 9.0, Setup Plan has been redesigned to allow for setup instructions to be created that contain text and dimensions. To do this, access Setup Plan from the X caliper ribbon and create a new setup plan. This automatically sets up an image to be captured for each view in Vericut. If an image is desired of that view, enable that particular view, and a frame of the image to be captured will appear in the view window. Dimensions can be added to the simulation along with notes describing setup instructions or any other information you want to convey. When finished, simply save the images. A preview of the image can be seen below in the Setup Plan window. Images can be captured throughout the simulation process as well. Stop the simulation and open Setup Plan again. Create another Setup Plan and select which images are to be captured. Add any necessary information to the image and mark the spot in the simulation to capture the image. Then save the setup plan. Setup plan images can also be used in Vericut reports for documentation purposes. Save the instructions as a PDF or HTML link for use in your organization. And that's it. For more information on Setup Plan, see the Vericut help.